The Kinetik Wellbeing blood glucose monitoring system is accurate, easy to use and affordable. Step 1. Prepare the device. Insert a test strip. The device will turn on automatically. Step 2. Take the sample. Remove the cap and insert the lancet. Twist off the lancet cover and replace the cap. You can adjust the lancing depth by twisting the base. There are 5 depths to choose from. Hold the device against your finger and press the release button. Wipe away the first blood drop and squeeze until a second blood drop forms. Step 3. Results. Hold the device at a 45-degree angle. Touch the blood sample to the end of the test strip. Your reading will appear after 5 seconds.